Today, we will introduce the MY401 Portable 401 Gas Detector. This is the charging cable for the charger and Type-C interface. This is the MY401 detector host. This is the calibration cap. Tighten the middle screws and install the calibration cover. This is the product manual. This is the test certificate. MY401 is a 4-in-1 gas detector. Bionic design, appearance reference, owl shape. Equipped with a TFT Color LCD display. Here is the indicator light. This is the indicator light. Here is the buzzer. This detector has 3 buttons. The up button is to select an interface display switch. The middle can power on, off, and confirm. The lower button is used to select and adjust. This is the charging port. Usually there is a ceiling plug, plugged, waterproof, and dustproof. The back is an alligator clip. So we're going to go ahead and basically power it on. Press the power button for 3 seconds. Enter the self-test after the screen lights up for 5 seconds. First, display sensor information. Alarm information. TWA, alarm information. Sound, light, vibration, alarm, self-test. Wait for warm-up time. At this moment, it was successfully powered on. After booting, next is the normal measurement interface. Can simultaneously detect carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, oxygen, hydrogen, sulfide. This detector has several shortcut function keys. Long, press the button to turn on the flashlight. Short, press the down button to turn off the flashlight. Long, press the up button to enable silent mode. A mute icon will be displayed in the upper left corner. Press and hold again for 5 seconds. Release to turn off silent mode. Click the up key. Enter single gas mode. Long, press the up button to enter the quick zero correction. Click the upper key. Enter single gas mode. Then click the up key. This is the display curve of the gas alarm. Next, we demonstrate the alarm. Use a lighter to ventilate. Trigger detector combustible gas alarm. The concentration is low and the alarm sound is slow. Concentration exceeds high alarm value. The alarm sound will become rapid and sharp. Long, press the upper button on the left to enable silent mode. You can turn off the audible alarm. In the detection interface, click the menu button in the middle. Enter password 1. Enter the menu settings interface. The first is the alarm setting. Click the menu button. Inside are alarm settings for 4 gases. Then press the up button to select. Set the alarm value of combustible gas. Press the menu button to enter the alarm setting for the next gas. Can set carbon monoxide concentration alarm, TWA alarm. Same for the next hydrogen sulfide configuration. Press the up key to select. Press the key to change the value. The setting is complete. Press the button and select OK to confirm. The second item in the menu is the time setting. Press the up key to select. Press the key to change the value. Press the menu key to confirm and save. The third one is calibration. Press OK to enter the password 88. Press the menu button to enter. The first one is zero calibration. Select and determine whether to calibrate the gas in turn. Then the oxygen content in the air is 20.9%. So the school failed. And then carbon monoxide. And finally, hydrogen sulfide. Next is the range calibration of the 4 gases. Each gas needs to be calibrated individually. You can't calibrate them all at once. After entering the submenu, set the standard gas calibration value. After setting ventilate for calibration, let's demonstrate it with oxygen calibration. Set the calibration value to the standard content of 20.9 in the air. Then select OK to calibrate. The next 6th function is to log the alarm. You can see the alarm record for each gas. The fourth item on the main menu is a flashlight. This detector is equipped with a flashlight function. It is convenient to record data or sign in dark scenes. Next are other settings. There are backlight settings in other settings. Available time, 10 seconds, 20 seconds, 30 seconds, 60 seconds, 90 seconds, and 120 seconds. Then there is storage settings. You can choose the time of automatic saving. Yes, 10 seconds, 30 seconds, 60 seconds, and 120 seconds. You can also choose to turn off automatic storage. This is the menu style selection. You can choose image mode or text mode. This is the language selection. You can switch between English and Chinese. Here's the graphical mode menu. The sixth is alarm record. You can check the alarm time and alarm value of the specific gas report. The seventh is to restore the factory settings. After execution, all setting parameters will be overwritten, includes calibration parameters. The eighth is the version information. The ninth is to return to the detection interface. So, I'm going to show you how to disassemble and replace the sensor. Long press the power button for 5 seconds. Wait for the countdown to end. Release the power button to complete the shutdown. There are 6 screws in total at the back. Unscrew each screw in turn and put it away. Here is the sensor. Unplug the sensor's main board. There are 4 sensors. When replacing the sensor, slight shaking left and right can unplug the sensor. Then plug the new sensor back into the main board. Next, plug the sensor area main board back in. Notice here that there's a row of pins to align. Then align the pins and install them on. Install the back cover after replacement. Check it. Start screwing the screws back in turn. Then screw the screws back in turn.